Hi, welcome to Asinasin short introductory video series. Asinasin Keyword Research Tools is a complete and detailed keyword research tool to find valuable market insights for your entered keyword. It helps you find the best keywords to target and provides valuable insight into the queries that your target audience is actually searching on Amazon. Enter your keyword in the search box and select the market location and hit search. Under Keyword Search Volume Trend, you can see the monthly search volume, and purchase rate of that keyword and ABA ranking. If you need to look at the search volume alone, you can close Purchase Volume, Purchase Rate, and ABA ranking buttons. To see part-time data, can also set the range by pulling the slider below or just scrolling your mouse's wheel. Google Trends tab shows the weekly search interest of this keyword. Here is the click concentration, showing the click concentration rate and conversion share rate of your selected keyword. You can also check monthly pay-per-click auctions or keyword bid to help secure your ad placement at the top of search results. With minimum and maximum bids, Asinasin also shows the Amazon suggested bids range that other advertisers want an impression on the keyword with similar ads. Finally, the Market Analysis tab helps you understand the price range, available product quantity in each price range, and their product share in this keyword. Click here and change to Score Distribution, which shows the available product quantity with how many customer reviews. You can understand how many scores most of the products have on Amazon. And the Rating Value Distribution shows the Amazon rating of products under these keywords. If you have any problem while using it, please feel free to reach out to our WeChat or online customer service.